Good morning, dear traders. Welcome back. Monday, opening up the week Forex market. We got the Swiss Japanese yen. We want to start with this one. We think we got an opportunity in the making. We've seen price just surpassing the previous high just recently, and we think it's actually starting to turn around here. This is these are the suspicions we have about the situation here. We can also track a very particular formation coming from the end of September. We've seen this type of move, one up and then a few exchanges here, one on the downside, again on the up, back on the down, and now back on the upside again, right? But this is where it's becoming more reliable as far as this trading range goes, because price just took the previous high and also started to emerge itself in a smaller case trading range. I want to show you where this one is coming from the 4-hour chart. I'm going to switch to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to show you this one here. You see this purple key level system representing what's happening right now. You know, this 1, 2, and now right now 3, right? 3 is in the making. We're going to have probably 3 and then 4, possibly then later on 5th, and it could break down. Once it breaks down, we got this level under heavy surveillance, 116.24. That's what we want to keep our eyes on. But we also want to observe this from the daily perspective. The 4-hour chart tends to be very noisy. Here we can actually filter out some of the noise, not all of it, but at least 50% of the noise can be filtered out pretty nicely, pretty effectively, right here on the daily chart. So for us, right, in order to take action, we need price to do one of two things: either to break 116.24, right, either to break 116.24 and then basically ignite the move. We're pretty sure this kind of breakdown is going to ignite that move all the way to 114. Right, a big obstacle is 115.76, no doubt. This was actually our original trigger, but now we've updated that trigger. We raised the bar, so to speak, to 116.24, because now we can clearly see that this is a big key level here, 116.24. But the second option for us to get in would be after we let price trade sideways for a while, right? It's probably going to do something like this, and only then we can take this one. Basically, we can shoot. We can open fire right here when price comes back up for the 4th leg, because usually we get the 5th one to break down. So we can play out on, we can play on that. But we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, we just expect price to clearly, it's the positive momentum that's been driving price all the way here. That's done, right? Clearly, price is stagnating, and it's starting to develop that, consolidation phase, which typically comes right before a full-fledged downside reversal. But not only, right? Not only in these cases, it could also break out later on, but less likely. That's what I'm saying. We're going to keep an eye on this one. Very, very tight surveillance on the Swiss Japanese yen. Hopefully we're going to take action soon. Once we do, we're going to come back and we'll let you know all about it. There you go, Swiss Jap, looking interesting. We'll be back, as I mentioned. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye and we'll see you in the next video. I'm going to talk about Euro New Zealand. It's going to be super interesting. See you then. Cheers.